Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to install a set of these Poison Spyder inner aluminum fenders. They look really great on your Jeep. It's going to really modernize the inside of it, get rid of that plastic inner. They're made of a super durable aluminum material and include all the necessary hardware to get them on. With that being said, we're going to throw them onto our 2012 Jeep JK Wrangler. As you can see behind me, we already have the factory flare as well as the liner removed. To do this, you remove 5 10mm bolts, pull it out towards you, and remove a couple push pins as well as the side marker light. With that being said, we can get started throwing the new inner fenders in. Once you have the fender and the inner fender removed, the first step is to grab your driver's side. Go ahead and mock it up into place. And then I'm going to use these 2 inner support bolts to hold it up there before we start drilling. Once you have the top 2 bolts snugged up, we're going to move on to the back side here. There's 2 bolts that go behind this inner piece, one on the top, one on the bottom. Use your outside holes as a reference and you're going to drill straight through. I made little marks in there just to kind of give myself a reference. It'll be nice and easy, they'll go right through. The next step is to remove these 2 bolts, that way you have access to those rears. Go ahead and place the backup in, and you're going to use the 2 included Allen key bolts with a washer to go through those inner holes. Retighten these 2 top bolts. Then there's one other self-tapping screw in the front to complete your install. Get that nice and tight, repeat the exact same process on the other side of the Jeep, and your installation is complete. We just finished up the install of the Poison Spyder aluminum inner fenders. They look really awesome on the Jeep, plus they're going to keep all that mud and unwanted moisture and whatever other debris you pick up on the trail or the highway outside of the engine bay. It only takes about an hour to install both sides, and you can find them right here at cjponyparts.com.